When it comes to bathroom refinishing, traditional materials like marble, wood, or metal can be expensive and surprisingly risky. In high moisture environments, they can become a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. But what if there was a better way? Self-adhesive Bodaq Interior Film is the smarter solution for bathroom surfaces. Whether it's walls, partitions, vanities, or ceilings, Bodaq transforms any rigid surface into a stylish finish at a fraction of the cost. And it's not just beautiful, it's built to protect. Bodaq is 100% waterproof, antifungal, and antimicrobial, creating a safer, healthier space for both residential and commercial spaces. Unlike natural materials that can trap moisture and promote mold, Bodaq helps eliminate those risks, making it perfect for hotels, restaurants, clinics, or your own home. Want the look of marble, the warmth of wood, or the cool of metal? With 450 patterns to choose from, you can get the design you want without the downsides. Fast, clean, sustainable. Refinish smart. Refinish with Bodaq.